I have a question for you. Have you ever stayed up very late to finish a big project or study for a difficult test? You were so tired, but you had to keep working. In English, we have a very famous idiom for this situation. It is burn the midnight oil. Understanding this phrase will help you describe your hard work perfectly to native speakers. Let me tell you a funny story about my friend, Tom. He heard his boss say, "Tom, we need to burn the midnight oil tonight." Tom was very confused. He went home to his kitchen. At midnight, he started heating up a pan of cooking oil. The kitchen filled with smoke, and he made a huge mess. He thought the idiom meant literally burning actual oil. Poor Tom, he was wrong. So, what does it really mean? Burn the midnight oil means to work or study very late into the night. It is about effort, not fire. This phrase comes from a long time ago, before we had electric lights. In the past, people used oil lamps. If they wanted to work late at night, they had to burn the oil in their lamps. Now, let's look at the correct usage. Meet Sarah. Sarah has a very important final exam tomorrow morning. She sits at her desk with all her textbooks open. It is now 3 a.m. in the morning. Most people are sleeping, but Sarah is still awake. She is burning the midnight oil to get a good grade. She is working hard while the world sleeps. Here is a common example sentence. Please listen carefully. I have a big presentation tomorrow, so I will be burning the midnight oil tonight. This means I will stay up late to prepare. Here is another example. The team burned the midnight oil to finish the project on time. This means the whole group worked very late to meet their deadline. How can you remember this? Close your eyes and picture an old, brass oil lamp. Imagine it is pitch dark outside. You need to burn that oil to see your work. That is burning the midnight oil. Here is a fun fact. This idiom was used by famous English writers hundreds of years ago. Back then, oil was expensive, so if you burned it late at night, your work was considered very serious and important. Today, it reflects our culture of hard work. However, be careful. In some places, burning the midnight oil too often might mean you need to manage your time better. Let's learn some similar phrases. You can say, pull an all-nighter. This is stronger. It means you do not sleep at all. Or work around the clock, meaning you work all day and night. What if you want to stop working? You can say, let's call it a day. This means to stop working. Or you can say, hit the sack, which is a funny way to say go to bed. A very common mistake students make is saying burn the midnight oil lamp. Please do not add the word lamp. The correct phrase is just burn the midnight oil. Now, let's test your knowledge with a quiz. What does burn the midnight oil mean? A. Cook late at night. B. Work or study late. C. Waste oil. Think about it. The correct answer is B. It means to work or study late. Did you get it right? I hope so. Great job today. You have learned a very useful idiom. Remember, whenever you are working hard late at night, you are burning the midnight oil. Have you burned the midnight oil recently? Tell us about it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.